Good morning, Soultasticers. It's your girl Jay. Jay Soultastic. So what? I don't know. But today, this video does not reflect what I wanted to reflect. I just want to say that disclaimer there in the beginning. The reason why is because for some reason my software, I don't know, they do upgrades. It seems like they've been doing upgrades every week, and every time they upgrade something, it screws up what they've already upgraded. Okay. So with that said, that means that my rendering so that my videos are not choppy has not been working properly, which takes a longer time for my things to upload. And it does tell you that if your videos are super long, that there will be some choppiness or some lagging in the video. So I was trying to clean up the lagging, but it wasn't. And I had cuts that was like 29 minutes long each video, and I was trying to speed them up and do all that stuff that I knew how to do to get the video so you guys can see all the different things that I wanted to share with you. But there are some things, some tips and stuff in there that I wanted to share with y'all, some other ways. So I'm going to share them another way, and we're just going to get into this quick video. I'm just sharing the progress of where I am now in the room. So if you are new to this video, you're probably like, what's going on? Well, I am transforming my sewing room. If you don't know about it, you can go back and watch the last video. I'll try to put a link up here so you can see what I'm talking about, and it has some pictures in it about what I was doing. And this video, I wanted to share pictures of me breaking down everything and doing all that, but it wasn't working right. So I don't know if I'll be able to do that in another form. I may do it in like a playlist, so you can watch the breakdown and stuff in sections. Because it was not working as a full video. It was going to be too long and too much stuff going on. So, Winston, go get baby. Go get baby. Go get baby. He's lonely. Go get baby. Yeah. So anyway, so that's why I felt like I needed to do a little bit of an explanation, because your girl was frustrated, but the Lord was teaching me patience. I don't know if I got the message, because yeah, but anyway, I might have to rework the videos and go from there. So with that said, let's get into this video. And if you're new, welcome to Jay Soultastic, and if you're not, welcome back. I appreciate you. I'm glad you're here, and I'm glad all of y'all stopped back to watch my video that was supposed to be up yesterday. So with that said, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. Good morning, family. It's your girl Jay. I just wanted to share with you guys the video of where I am with progress on the room right now. I still have this complete wall to redo. I don't know, I might just leave it the same. As you walk into the space, you see my table, and I've already been using it. I haven't done any sewing in a week or two, and it really feels good to take a break from sewing. Trying to make clothes and do different things, but because I need to get organized, I can find everything. Over here I have my heat press. I have some storage. Winston wants to say hello. Say hello, Winston. Say hi. You gonna say hi to the people? Huh? Okay. Anyway, there's the storage that you see right there. Also, like I said, here's the table. I'm working on a project for my grandson. He wants the planets, so Granny is making him planets. And those posters over there are going to become scrap collages that I'm going to hang on the wall. And those gray bins is just junk that came out of this drawer over here, this nightstand, and I gotta sort through that and throw it away. And right now, here is my storage area, and I just have things put in there right now that just temporarily, this is, you know, just all temporarily. I also shared on the last video my DIY box. It was a box, and I took some scrap and made a little box that holds all my ironing stuff. My iron, my hems, my water, all that's in there. And that all came from scraps from resin and scraps from my fabric scrap bin. This is just extra stuff I need to put away. Here is one of my scrap bins and some more stuff that needs to be organized. There is the dresser over there now with stuff on top that needs to be organized as well. So we're getting there, y'all. My pegboard, I'm gonna spray paint it, so it's just sitting there. Haven't hung the mirror yet. It's just sitting there. And then here is some of the magic that's happening. Storage. This bin, the white bin at the bottom, has to be reorganized. That's just holding stuff right now, so I don't just have things everywhere. But I also had created a video with me folding some of these fabric pieces and putting them in, but I got frustrated with the rendering and the choppiness of the videos. So I have all the footage, and I might try to share it in a different form. I don't know what I want to do with it yet, but here go the other storage bins, and they are just holding things for now. This is not final. This is just temporary. I'm sharing with you guys the look of the space right now because of the fact that the video was taking forever to upload and I just couldn't get it to upload, y'all. So here we go. More stuff. More stuff. Okay. So there's a kind of like a bigger overview of the room. I don't know if I'm going to use this for storage of things because it has like little cubby holes. My heat press came in it. It has like little bitty compartments and stuff in it, and you know, it could be used for something. So I haven't thrown it away yet, but eventually I might throw it away because I don't want to seem like a hoarder of everything, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Then I'm hoarding it. So with that said, this is how everything is looking. The hot mess is still going on in here, y'all. I am being so transparent. This is all of my fabric and patterns and just stuff and bins. I will be doing some of that today, putting some fabric rolls. Those are, even though it looks kind of tacky because they fell down, but that fabric is all on boards and stuff, and that's just stuff sitting on top of my laundry bin. So yeah, and my sewing area, the reason why I haven't been sewing anything, because it looks a hot mess. So yeah. So this is short but sweet, but I wanted to put something up to kind of like give you guys an idea of what is going on in the sewing room, y'all. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. I'm gonna fill all these things with either fabric or just, you know, stuff that I have, kind of like just to see how I display some of the things that I don't really use a lot. So yeah, but that's what's going on. There's my new sewing table. It's just a foldable table with a piece of board that I had cut a while ago, and I'm going to use that for my fabric. My ditto machine is still up and working. So yeah, my heat press, my new baby that I got myself for my birthday as a birthday gift to me. And yeah, but that's it, y'all. And so I'm gonna let me show my face if it lets me. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go on downstairs because I gotta get prepped for work this morning. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. And yeah, I don't know if I showed y'all my new rug that came in. Let me share. Okay. Okay, we're going downstairs. Okay, my rug came in my living room area, and that's how she's looking. I love the rug. It's super soft. soft. Hold on a second. So yeah, it is super soft, and I love the way it's looking. I need to open up my blinds so I can let some light in here. So there's the different view of how everything is looking. So I've been down here doing some DIY things as well. Just, you know, just really organizing things. So putting it in place. But I do plan on making some changes down here. Look at Deepa, y'all. She is super huge. I don't even know if I can get her in the camera. Hold on. There she go. Look. All the way up to the ceiling. And Corn trying to catch up with her. Corn is over there next to my picture trying to catch up with her. So yeah, but I like the rug. I thought it was all going to be one color, but it's not. It's like 2 different colors. But it is super soft. Super soft, super soft. So yeah, so I like the rug. Winston all trying to be all up in the video, y'all. Wait, look. Why, Winnie? Why you want to be in the video? Huh? Why you want to be in the video? I don't know why he wants to be in the video, but he does. And so yeah, that's all I have to share today. I'm gonna let you guys go, and then I'm gonna try to record. Well, I'm gonna try to put some of those pieces out of me doing some of the work when I have some time to sit there and let it render for the whole entire day. So yeah, that's it for today, and come back for part 2 of me putting things in place, and then probably just sharing the total reveal. I don't know if I'm going to record it again, like I said, because I don't know what's going on with my software or whatever it may be, but it's taken forever to do what I needed to do. And so yeah, I got my computer on back there in my office, and yeah, it's just y'all. I don't know if y'all even seen my office. Let me see if I can turn y'all around, because this is where my couch sits now. I don't know who is calling me this doggone early in the morning. Yeah, this is my office space. I did put the curtains up in there and everything. We're gonna let her ring because I'm at work and ain't nothing that important right now. Okay, I'll let her ring, and then so yeah, this is my office. I'm gonna turn the light on so y'all can see. Let me come back out here. This is where the magic happens with editing and everything. So it's comfortable for me. My space is not for everybody. It's just, you know, it's my space. So I don't know why I got all into that in the video. Maybe because I was frustrated and I feel like I couldn't get the video done that I wanted to get done. So I got frustrated with it, and yeah, so here we are. It is Tuesday, and yeah, this is what we're doing. And these are things that happen sometimes. I just hate being out of sync with my videos. But anyway, it is what it is. It goes when it goes. It does what it does. God blesses when he blesses. He does things in his own time, and his time is not our time. So, you know, yeah, that's what it is. Teaching me patience today. So, yeah, talk to y'all later. Bye.